Today is Saturday, October 3rd. I'm actually about to just jump into some orders. A few orders that I actually want to clear them all out. So I want my orders to be at 0 because tomorrow I am finishing my studios. Anything in the way or anything kind of like keeping me from focusing on the studio. I actually am working on 2 commissions, so I'm going to do a little bit of client work as well. It's probably going to take maybe an hour and a half to get that done. If I sound a little better than last time, I actually got a new microphone for my cameras. I don't sound too good, it's too echoey in here, especially considering I still didn't find any furniture for the living room, so it's a little echoey in here. Finally figured out how to properly do settings on my camera so I can get the most out of this this whole vlogging experience. I want everything to be not perfect but better. We're gonna clear out these orders. I'm actually in the middle of filming the process of that studio, so that video will be out soon. I'm actually gonna do a 2-part video. I'm gonna do a video of the process, you know, during the renovation. I'm also gonna do a video me finishing, like put my final touches on the studio and decorating and all that thing. I think decorating the studio deserves its own. If you see paint in my hair, yeah, that was from painting some furniture that's for the studio I was painting yesterday. Decorating the studio deserves its own video. Like, don't you think? I think it deserves its own thing. In these orders. To me, it's nothing like a brisk, sunny fall morning. Today is actually perfect outside. Gotta make sure I go out today. New paper I just bought for my 5x7 prints. I think she came out pretty good. Can you see? This is Nafisa Ali. today's vlog is a shorter vlog. These packages. So I am going to end the vlog here. Subscribe to my channel if you like what I'm doing here. I also have a link to my Patreon in the description and a link to my Instagram and all that good stuff. All right, peace.